If you have a house in Middleburg Heights, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying up houses in and around Middleburg Heights, Ohio. And in this quick video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Middleburg Heights prefer to sell to us as a direct buyer rather than selling to a traditional buyer who's using a real estate agent and using a mortgage lender to buy the house. So first things first, the reason people love working with us is we're going to keep it very easy for you. We're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, and you don't got to haul anything away. So there's no trips to the Home Depot, there's no pulling out the paper towels and the Windex to clean the windows, you don't got to run a broom across the ground, you don't got to mow the grass, you don't have to, fix the chipped paint, nothing at all. There is zero money out of your pocket to clean the house up or do anything at all. We will truly buy the house in its as-is condition, and you don't got to haul anything away. So anything that you want out of the house that you want to keep, you can take it with you. Anything that you just don't want or don't need, you can leave behind, and we will take care of it for you. So what allows us to buy these houses in their as-is condition is we're a true cash buyer. So we're not relying on some type of mortgage lender. That's what you're going to get with these traditional buyers. Since we're a cash buyer, there's no third-party approvals needed. When it comes to a traditional buyer who's using a mortgage lender, well, they're going to send their thorough inspector through. This inspector is very intrusively going to test every single outlet in the house, every light switch, every single ceiling fan. They're going to open and shut every door and window, and they're compiling pages and pages and pages of stuff wrong with the house, and this can only be used against you, the seller. This can only be the cause of they want discounts now they want credits, now they want extensions. This is a nightmare waiting to happen. These are hoops that they're making you jump through that are completely avoidable by selling to a direct buyer. Also, if this traditional buyer has a realtor, they're going to expect some commission out of this deal. And if that comes out of your bottom line, that's money right out of your pocket. I'm here to let you know when you sell to us as a direct buyer, there are no fees, no commissions, there's no money out of your pocket whatsoever. There's no, wanting you to fix things, and there's no approvals needed whatsoever. We're going to buy the house fast for cash in its as-is condition. So if you have a house in Middleburg Heights and you want a fair offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website because that's where we were founded, but I'm born and raised in the Cleveland area, and we're very familiar with Cleveland houses. So when we get on the phone, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about when you're looking to close. And this is very important. It's often overlooked, but you get to tell us when you want to close. With a traditional buyer, you're not closing this thing until their lender approves of everything and gives it the green light. You're at the mercy of this bank or the lender, and they only have their best interests in mind. And dealing with us, all the control is left with you. You're going to have clarity. You're going to have certainty. You tell us when you want to close. If you want to close quickly, we can make that happen. If you need something more flexible and we got to set a future date, we'll make that happen for you as well. And when we get on the phone and make you a fair cash offer, if our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward and keep this thing simple and get it done for you. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. There's never going to be any added pressure or fake urgency or sales tactics, gimmicks, and scripts. We are local, and we're going to treat you like a neighbor and treat you fair, just like we would want to be treated. We are not some call center that's located in some foreign, distant land who's talking about houses in Middleburg Heights that they've never even been to. That's what you get. I get the same text that you do. Believe me, they're blowing up my phone. It's ridiculous, actually. Cold calls. We're not doing any of that. We are going to treat you local. We're going to treat you fair because that's what we've been doing for over 14 years. So if you have a house in Middleburg Heights and you want to get a fair cash offer, sell this thing in its as-is condition, bypass any of the hoops that you need to jump through, going the traditional route, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin, and I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.